Warning: contact lenses are classified medical devices. This footage depicts a highly regulated, sterile environment. Educational purpose only.
Perfect vision without glasses. It starts here, inside one of the world's most sterile manufacturing facilities.
This facility is cleaner than a hospital operating room. A single speck of dust is a disaster.
The secret ingredient is a liquid polymer called hydrogel. It absorbs water and allows oxygen to breathe.
To make the lens visible in its case, we add a tiny drop of blue handling tint.
The mixture is stirred in a vacuum chamber to force out every microscopic air bubble.
Before making the lens, we must create the shape. High-precision steel tools are the master reference.
Hot plastic is injected around these steel tools to create disposable negative molds.
We need 2 plastic molds for every single lens. One for the front curve, one for the base.
The curvature must be accurate to the nanometer. A laser scan ensures the shape is flawless.
The verified molds move to the filling station. The liquid polymer is ready to become a lens. A precision pump injects exactly 40 microliters of the liquid monomer into the bottom mold. The top mold is pressed down, squeezing the liquid out to form the incredibly thin edge.
Now, the chemistry happens. The clamped molds travel through a tunnel of intense ultraviolet light. The UV energy triggers a chain reaction, instantly turning the liquid monomer into solid plastic.
At this stage, the contact lens is actually hard and brittle, like a dry cornflake.
The cured molds leave the oven. A mechanical arm pries the 2 plastic halves apart. The dry lenses are stuck tight. We release them by soaking the molds in warm water. This is the moment of transformation. The hard plastic absorbs the saline and begins to expand.
The material swells by 40%, becoming the soft, flexible lens we recognize.
Automated jets of water transfer the delicate lenses to the inspection station without touching them.
The lenses are now soft but unproven. They enter the rigorous quality control chamber.
A high-resolution camera projects a magnified image of the lens onto a digital screen.
Artificial intelligence scans the image for microscopic tears, bubbles, or chipped edges.
Defect.
Any imperfect lens is instantly blown off the line by a precise puff of air. We also test the optical power. A light beam measures the refraction to ensure perfect focus.
Only flawless lenses proceed to packaging. The plastic blister packs are prepared.
Precision nozzles fill each blister cup with a specific amount of saline solution.
This saline mimics human tears, keeping the lens hydrated and sterile until you open it.
A robotic arm gently transfers the wet lens into the solution. A camera checks to ensure the lens is centered and fully submerged before sealing. The foil lid is applied. It provides an airtight, hermetic seal for safety.
Heated pads press down, bonding the foil to the plastic instantly.
The sealed strips are loaded into a massive sterilization chamber called an autoclave.
Superheated steam at 121 degrees Celsius kills every single bacterium and spore.
Once sterile, the lenses are labeled with their specific prescription power and expiry date.
Robots pack the blister strips into the branded cardboard boxes you see in stores.
The boxes are stacked into cartons and wrapped for global distribution. From the factory, they travel to optometrists and pharmacies worldwide.
Finally, the user opens the box. The prescription matches their unique vision needs.
The moment of use. Peeling back the foil to reveal the pristine lens inside.
Gently, the lens is lifted from the solution. It sits perfectly on the fingertip.
It is placed onto the eye. The water content ensures instant comfort and adhesion.
The result is magic. Blurry shapes instantly snap into razor-sharp focus.
Modern materials allow oxygen to pass through, keeping eyes healthy all day long.
They are designed for a single day of use, guaranteeing a fresh, sterile lens every morning.
This single facility produces over 1 billion lenses a year to serve the world. From a liquid plastic drop to a medical device of nanometer precision.
Whether for nearsightedness or astigmatism, engineering has solved the problem of human vision.
Invisible technology that changes how millions see the world every single day.
The cardboard used is medical grade, designed to prevent dust contamination in the sterile zone.
A unique serial number is printed on every box to track the entire history of the batch.
Palletizing robots stack the cartons. They build stable layers for safe international transport.
The pallets are wrapped in protective film to ensure no moisture enters during shipping.
Large forklifts move the finished stock to the massive temperature-controlled warehouse.
Logistics teams manage the distribution, ensuring hospitals and clinics get supplies on time.
The delivery trucks are climate-controlled. Extreme heat or cold could damage the sensitive hydrogel.
From the manufacturing floor to the end user, the chain of sterility is never broken. This is the Contact Lens Factory, where science meets sight.